Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. Okay, this is a VIP strategy guys, but I'm going to be giving it out for free guys. I'll be giving it out for free to you guys, okay? Now if you are excited and you want to know how this strategy works, make sure you stick to this video and don't skip any part guys. Make sure not to skip any part of this video. Alright, so before we go into how the strategy works guys, I have an offer for you guys. I have an offer for you guys that will help your trading career. Okay. Now, if you have been blowing your account, okay, if you have been trading for a long time now, you are not making profits, you have been blowing your account, you don't know the right mentor to be with, or you don't know what to believe anymore. Okay, you're just confused. Now, guys, I have something that will transform your life. Okay, I have something for you guys that will change your life. Now, let me just quickly show you that. Okay guys, here is a video course for you guys that will help your trading journey. Here is a video course. Okay, here you can see these are the basics of this video course. That's if you are just starting out. Okay, you start from the basics, then after that you move to support and resistance. Okay, here you know everything concerning support and resistance. Then after that you are going to go to trend line. You know everything about trend line, and then after that you take into market structure. You're going to be brief on everything on market structure. After that, market environment. Okay, after market environment you have price action. You're going to be taught everything on price action. Then after that we have price channel. Okay, everything you need to know about price channel, Elliott wave, and time frame. Okay, for those of you who are confused on time frame, here is a masterclass for you on time frame. Okay, in this video you are going to learn everything on time frame guys, everything on time frame. Then here is commodity analysis. Okay guys, I'm telling you, this video is a bomb. This is a transformation video. Okay, this is one of the video that changed my life. Okay, me personally that I'm talking here, this video is one of the video courses I've watched online that changed my life. Okay, this is a training video course. It's going to train you from the basics down to the pro level. You're going to become a pro if you finish this video. Okay, if you finish watching this video, you're going to become a pro. And then here is risk management, one of the important keywords in one of the important key things. Okay, you need to know in trading. Without risk management, everything you are doing is just a waste of time. Okay, because it's with the risk management that you know whether you are making money or not. Okay, so after that, after every here is a VIP strategy for you guys that is given out at the end of the course. Okay, with this strategy you'll be able to become profitable. Okay, you are set for life guys. So this is the course I have for you. It's just a little amount of money that I'm giving it out. Okay, so if you are interested, you hit me on the WhatsApp number you are seeing on my screen right now. Okay, just copy the WhatsApp number and make sure you chat me privately. Okay, you're going to be chatting with me directly. So if you are interested, then you hit me up. Okay, now guys, this offer is for the Nigerians only. Okay, I don't have a payment gateway for other countries yet, so it's just for the Nigerians. Okay, so that's it about the video course. Let's just go back to our strategy now. Okay guys, that's about the video course. So if you're interested, make sure you chat me on that contact. Okay, you chat me privately on my WhatsApp. Okay, now for this strategy, let's go straight to the rules. Okay, the conditions. Now, in order to use this strategy, the first condition, you know, for those of you who have been following me, you already know what to do. You just wait for this blue and the red, okay, to get to the 90 level. Okay, this is the first condition. Now another thing is that you need to also make sure that this mark D, the red and blue is also on this 80 zone here. Okay, make sure it's on the 80 zone. After seeing these two conditions, okay, after seeing these two conditions, you are free to go in for 5 candles, guys. You are free to go in for 5 candles. Make sure it gets to the 90 level here, and same thing is happening on the MACD. Okay, make sure two of them are on the same line, then you go in for 5 candles and then you are out. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. And in as much as it will be happening like this most of the time, it won't happen every time, guys. It won't happen like this every. There are times it is going to fail you. Okay, there are times it's going to fail you, and the way you can avoid that failure, the way you can avoid that disappointment, okay, the way you can avoid this strategy disappointing you is by following the trend. Okay, make sure you follow the trend with this strategy. No matter what strategy you are using, guys, make sure, like, if you are starting out, if you are a beginner, okay, if you are a beginner, you need to always follow the trend, guys. Follow the trend and make sure you are not against the trend. If it's only those who know what they are doing, like the pros, they're the one who can go against the trend because they already know how the market works. They have been trading for a long time. They have the experience, so they know how to go against the trend. But you that is just starting out, you need to like make the trend your friend. Okay. Now let me show you how to analyze the market so that you can be able to follow the trend. Okay. Now you see this place I marked. Okay. This place I marked on the screen right now. This is the place where the trend started changing on the 50-minute time frame. Okay. Now you can see this side and you can see this side. Here the market was in an uptrend. You can see the MACD is facing up. Okay, you can see the MACD is facing up in this side. Now this is the place I marked. This is the place it started changing to a downtrend. For those of you who have been following my channel for a long time now, you know how this already works. This is this MACD is indicating a change in trend. Okay, it's indicating a change in trend. You can see as I have marked on the screen right now. So when you see something like this happening, you see this crossing happening here, that is indicating a change in trend. Okay, now once you see this on the 50-minute time frame, once you see this crossing like this on the 50-minute time frame, you know now that the market has changed to a downtrend. So what you do now is to go to your 1-minute time frame. Okay, you go to your 1-minute time frame, and then let me take you guys to that point I mark. Now once you go to the 1-minute time frame, you start with, like, let me just make things clear. Now once you see this crossing, okay, then you go to your 1-minute time frame and then you start waiting for opportunities. Okay, now you know that you are following the trend, you know you are on the right trend to trade now. Okay, which is, that is, if you are on boom, it's going to be a downtrend, and then if you are on crash, guys, if you are on crash, it's going to be an uptrend. Okay, because with this strategy we are trading against the spike. Okay, we are trading against the spike. We are not catching spike, we are trading against the spike. So we are just going to be taking some little ticks, 5 ticks, and then you are out. Okay, now let me take you guys to where that crossing happened so that I'll show you something there. Okay, in case you are confused, I just paused the video and then I play it because I don't want to like waste time scrolling back to show you where I mark. Okay, so I just paused the video and then I scroll it back and then I play it. So guys, this is where I mark on the 50-minute time frame. This is it right now on the 1-minute time frame. And you see, after that crossing happen, now the next thing you do now is you wait for this condition. You need to wait for this now, this red and blue, to get to this 90 level, and same thing will happen here on the MACD. Okay, it needs to correspond with each other. Now after you see now after that crossing on the 1-minute time frame, you need to wait for the conditions to be met also, and then you take your entry. Okay, now you can see it has happened right here. It has happened right here. Then let's say you are waiting for your conditions and this happen right now. You just go in for 5 candles. Okay, you go in for 5 candles and then you are done. wait for the next condition. Okay, and you see here, this right here is touching the 90 level, but this right here is not touching. Okay, you can see that it went down also, but it's not a good entry for you. Okay, now this is where discipline comes in. You need to stick to your rules. Okay, you need to make the rules with any strategy you have, and you stick to that rules. Okay, stick to the conditions. Now, since I didn't say if this one touch and this one doesn't touch, you should take entry. You are not going to take this entry, so you make sure the both are corresponding like this before you take your entry. So since it didn't happen like that, I'm just going to leave it and you wait for where it happened. You can see here also this one is touching, but this one right here, the up one, the MACD is fluctuating, so I don't think it's a good entry for you, so you are going to skip that one. Okay, you skip it. You can see it's going up and down, so it's not a strong entry for you, so you skip. You can see this one right here, the both are touching. Okay, you can see the both are in the seller's zone, so you are going to take entry with this one right here, and then you take your 5 candles, you are out. It's another example again. This is another, sorry, no, this is not a good example. It's not touching from this point, only this one is touching, so you're not to take any entry, guys. You're not to take any entry. You're not to take any entry. Now this one right here is corresponding. You can see it's corresponding, so you have to go in for your 5 candles. This is another example. It's corresponding. You go in for your 5 candles. Now you can see, guys, you can see how it works. You can see how it's working perfectly. That's because you are on a downtrend. Okay, now let's say when it changed to an uptrend now and you are in this market, you following these conditions right here, it will work, but it won't be 100%. Okay, you are going to make losses. So when you follow the trend, you are going to be on the right side. Okay, so always make sure you do your analysis from the 15-minute time frame, know the trend you are, and then you go to your 1-minute time frame, and then you follow your conditions or your rules, and then you stick to it. Make sure not to change your mind no matter what the market is doing. Okay, just stick to that rules, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how it works. Let me show you some example on the crash market. So guys, as you can see right now, here is crash 1000. Okay, now here you are going to be buying instead of selling. Okay, unlike boon where you are selling, here you are going to be buying. It's opposite of each other. Okay, I hope most of you already know that. So here we are going to be buying, so you can see it's on the same line here now, so we are buying. Here's another example. This one is not a perfect example, so let me look for another one. You can see it's another example, so we are buying. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. That's the strategy, and that's how it works, guys. So make sure you skip I don't even know what I'm saying again. Make sure you stick to the strategy, guys. You stick to it and follow every rules I gave just now. Follow the conditions. Make sure it's on the same line, the same zone. You both are on the same zone right here, and then you take your entry. Make sure the crossing happen on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so if you keep doing this over and over and over, I don't see how you won't make profit, guys. I don't see how you won't make profit. Make sure you stick to the rules. It's not by forex is not where you come and make money overnight. Okay, just keep getting little by little, and over time, maybe in a week, in a month, you see, if you keep doing this thing now every day till 1 month, and you decide to cash out in that 1 month, you know how much you make. You even make money more than people who are working in the bank. So that's how this thing works. It's not that you just come and make money. Some people want to be making $100 every day. It's not like that, bro. Just little by little, that's how we grow here on forex. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to share the setting with you guys now. Okay, so for the settings, you click on the F icon. Okay, our first indicator right here is the MACD. Okay, and these are the settings, guys. These are the settings. Okay, you just screenshot everything. I've already made the video longer, so I'm going to be fast with the settings now. Okay, after you do everything like this, click on done, and then our next indicator is the moving average. Okay, that little line you are seeing on the MACD, let me show you. That moving average is this one right here that you are seeing, this red line here. Okay, so the second, so this is how you are going to do the setting. Okay, the period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple. Here is the key point. This first indicators data. Okay, click on it. Sorry, you click on it, you choose the last one. Okay, first indicators data. After that, you make the style 2 pixel, you make the color red, and then you click on done. Okay, then after that we have the relative strength index. Okay, which is going to be used for our zone. Okay, the period is 1, apply to close. On that style we have 2 pixel. The color is the color of your background. If you are using the black background, you make the color black. If you are using white, you make it white. Okay, we don't want it to reflect, we just need the levels. Okay, which is the 80 and the 20. Okay, you make 2 pixel, you make it 2 pixel, the color is black, then you go back and then you click on done. So we are done with this first indicators data. Okay, we are done with the first indicators data, which is this one right here. Now we are going to be moving to the second one, which is here now. Okay, so you click on the F icon again. This is the second window here, and then you search for. Now before you add the second window, you are going to click on this icon here. Okay, not this one. Okay, click on this first icon, and then you search for relative strength index. After that, the period is 1, just like the first one, guys, just like the way you do the first one. Then the only thing you are going to change on this one is going to be you are going to make it 90 and 10. Okay, then you go back and you click on done. After that, you add the moving average, guys. You add the moving average, you make the period 3 pixel, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. On that style we have 3 pixel, the color is blue, and then you click on done. The next moving average, we have the period is 7, shift is 0, method simple, apply to close. On that style we have 3 pixel, and then you make the color red. Okay, that's how simple it is. You click on done, then you go back, you have something like this, you have a screen like this, guys. So this is how the strategy is. You already know how it works. So that's it, guys. That's everything for the strategy. Now, guys, if you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, guys, please make sure you do that. Go hit the subscribe button, click on like. Okay, give me a thumbs up, and then make sure you turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. Thank you as you do that. Now for my course, if you are interested, you hit me up. Okay, you just chat me up on WhatsApp if you are interested, guys. If only you are interested, just hit me up. So that's it, guys. I'll be drawing the curtain here. Silver out.